Hey there folks, my name is Luke. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review, where today it is time to show off this product from Osprey. Now this is the Osprey Pack Ultralight Liquids Pouch. As a liquids pouch, this really doesn't work all that well, but as a kit bag for your backpack, your backpacking gear, this thing is awesome for multiple reasons. Now this is the little bit of packaging that came with this pouch. It was attached to the top just like so. Let's focus on this for just a second. When I received this pouch, I took a look here at the packaging, reading it over, and of course it says Ultralight Liquids Pouch. I noticed on the back side of this that the information provided is incorrect. I mean, way off. It says the weight is 7.8 ounces for this pouch. It's not. It says that this thing is 11.4 inches long. No, it's not. Then I decided to investigate this a little bit further. I went to the Osprey website, found this pouch on their website, and the information there is also incorrect, but different than what is posted on this. Osprey states on the website that this product features dual zippers, which it does not, and the rest of the information on there in regards to the description of this product isn't accurate at all. So I'm not entirely sure what is going on Osprey in that regards. You know, it really comes off as like you guys are pumping out so many products that you guys can't take the time to get the details right, even on your own packaging. Now, with that being said, let's just focus on the pouch itself, because luckily, the pouch is awesome. I actually like this thing quite a bit. Now, this was designed to be a liquids pouch for like going to the airport. It's TSA friendly because it has the clear windows. You can see the contents of the bag. As far as a liquid pouch goes, fail. This is not leak proof. This will not stop any fluids from coming out of this. Yes, you can see them in there, but a Ziploc bag would work a whole lot better than this. If you're going to put liquids in something, it needs to be leak proof. It doesn't need to just store them. That defeats the purpose. Like I said, you could put them in a Ziploc bag. As a kit bag, this is where this really shines. Let's go over the details now. The cost of this pouch is $10. It weighs 1.5 ounces. It measures 8.5 inches by 4.5 inches, and it is roughly 1.25 inches wide at the top and 2 inches at the bottom. This is tapered cut. The materials for this, if you could believe the details on the Osprey website, this is a 40D ripstop nylon, and it features TPU walls. Now, when it came to purchasing this product, yes, I did purchase this with my own money. I was actually on the Osprey website taking a look to see if there was anything new to review, anything worth purchasing, and I came across this. For a liquids bag, I'm not really interested in it for that purpose, but I did like the fact that you could see the contents of the pouch. That's pretty big. You know, when it comes to kit bags, I'm a huge fan. I really am. I like being able to look inside my pack, see the bag that I need, and be able to pull it out, get what I need, and rock and roll. I don't like storing things in 1,000 different pockets. I want to have my kit bags. I want everything to be nice, simple, and quick. As a kit bag, it works very, very well. It's very functional, very simple. Inside of this, I have 2 lighters. 1 is none, 2 is 1, of course. I have some fire starter. I have some tin foil, ferro rod. I have some spoons, a pocket bellows, and so on. And there is a ton of space left over. I mean, think about this, folks. You can use this sort of pouch in any sort of configuration. You can have a first aid bag. You can have a miscellaneous kit, a light kit, fire kit, and so on. For those purposes, this bag will work very, very well. From what I understand, this is the only size that they have, and it's a pretty good size pouch, really. It's not very thick, not very wide. Of course, it is tapered cut. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, let's touch upon those real quick. First off, this really is ultra light at 1.5 ounces. That's not bad. The quality is, as mentioned, fantastic. There's no issues here. As also stated, you can see the contents. That's great. The zipper here is excellent. This is a YKK zipper, excellent zipper pull. You do have one loop right here, so you can easily open the pouch. There should be another loop on the other side, so you can close it. It's not that big of a deal, but it is a slight con. When it comes to the pros, the biggest pro is that this features the Osprey warranty. They have the absolute best warranty in the business. Every company out there should match their warranty because it's unlimited. It's the ultimate warranty. If you have an issue with any product that you purchase from them, they will repair it. If they can't repair it, they replace it for free. It doesn't matter how it got damaged, they are going to fix it. That is freaking awesome. That is a company that stands by their products, and I truly respect that. When it comes to the cons, very little attention to detail has been paid to this product. That does not inspire confidence at all. You know, Osprey, if you care about the products that you are making, pay attention to the details. It is very important. People do notice, just like myself. In the end, I highly recommend this kit bag. This is fantastic. I plan on getting more of these. The price is very good, 10 bucks. This is worth $10 in my opinion. You could find a ton of little see-through liquid bags on Amazon. You could find them cheaper than this. Sometimes you could find like 2 for 10 bucks. But you're not going to get a warranty. I guarantee you're not going to get YKK zippers and so on. Yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome. Osprey, good work on the pouch, terrible work on the details and on your website. Get that fixed. Guys, what do you guys think about this pouch? Make sure to comment down below, share your thoughts. Everybody, take care, strength and honor. See ya.